Most creators think YouTube success comes from posting more videos, but in 2025, that's not enough. If you want to grow fast, the algorithm only truly rewards one thing: watch time. The more minutes people watch your videos, the harder YouTube pushes your channel. So today I am breaking down how I took my average retention from 38% to over 65% on my automation channel, and how that exploded my growth. Step 1. Nail the first 15 seconds. If people click but leave immediately, you lose. In every video, I hook the viewer in 5 seconds or less with a bold statement, shocking stat, or unexpected question. Then I tease what's coming so they have a reason to keep watching. Example: instead of today, I'll talk about AI tools. I say, this free AI tool can replace a $3,000 editor, and I'll prove it in the next 60 seconds. Step 2. Break content into micro moments. Long, flat explanations kill watch time. Instead, I keep something new happening every 15 to 20 seconds. B-roll changes, quick animations, stats, or text popping up. Pattern interrupts, like wait. Here's the twist. This keeps the brain engaged and stops the viewer from zoning out. Step 3. Use open loops. I drop hints about something important coming later. Example: tool number 3 is so powerful, I almost don't want to share it, but I will in a minute. That curiosity makes people stay until it's revealed. Step 4. Script for retention, not just information. Automation channels often feel robotic because they dump info without flow. I script my videos like mini stories: set up, build up, reveal. Even tutorial videos can have a narrative that keeps people hooked. Step 5. Cut the fluff. Keep the pace. Every second counts. I trim pauses, filler words, and slow sections, even on a faceless channel. Pacing makes the difference between a 38% retention rate and a 65% retention rate. Step 6. End with a chain link. Instead of saying thanks for watching, I end with, if you liked this, my next video shows exactly how I make 10 automation videos in a single day. Click here before YouTube buries it. This funnels watch time into another video and creates session growth. The result? Once I optimized for watch time, my videos started ranking faster, getting recommended more, and building loyal viewers who binge multiple uploads. That single change grew my automation channel faster than posting twice as often.